gonna look like a literal Christmas tree. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Hey y'all, welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. Today we are doing something fun. I'm sitting outside of Walmart. Can you guess what we're doing? I am going to have a full-on ugly sweater fashion show or try on. I already have some ugly sweaters at home or some Christmas themed sweaters. I'm also gonna try those on and y'all can decide which sweater I should actually wear for the holiday season. So Walmart does not play when it comes to the holiday sweaters, okay? I was in here a few weeks ago and I was like, dang, Walmart, y'all already got this stuff out. That was like back in November, but they had some pretty ugly, tacky stuff. So we're trying on the wild, the tacky, the sparkly, the festive, the fun, the straight up chaotic. So my plan is to try on about 5 to 7 sweaters, cardigans, sweatshirts, and let's just have some fun with it. Let's see what we have. This one's noisy. Oh, actually goes with my sneakers. Okay. It's warm. Nice and warm. I think I need a bigger size. Here for all the cheer. It's cute. I like the sleeve. Oh, yeah, it's tight. Oh, this is a cardigan. I think I like this one. Cardi. And it has cowboy boots. Boots on the ground. Kicking up some dust. Oh yeah, this fits good. It's a little itchy on the sleeve. Oh yeah, it's the glitter. Fuzzy collar, boot buttons. Glitter boots. Little extra button. Boots on the ground. Kicking up some dust. Gotta get this in a small. I do like it, it's soft. I like the colors. Lights up. This is cute. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty is trendy. And this is a sweatshirt. I feel like I could wear this. Ooh, but it's soft on the inside. Lit up like a Christmas tree. This is actually cute. Okay. This is a contender. The size fits. It feels good. #1 spot right here. I just don't like the way it fits at the bottom. I wish it was more fitted. This is cute. This could be second place. Okay. Alright. So I got 2 top favorites. I like this one. It's cheeky. And it's men's. It's gonna be oversized. This is so creative. Who comes up with this stuff? This is comfy. I Oh, I like this because it's oversized. For me, the design goes all the way around. Oh yeah, this is comfortable. And it's so cheeky. Cheeky, in it? Cheeky, cheeky. I just wish it was a black Santa. Maybe I can color him if I get it. Just like a felt. I can dye his face brown. Okay, all right. We got top 3. Okay. Oh, this might have kicked that cardigan out the window. Not the getting in my hair. Gonna look like a literal Christmas tree. Because I don't know if I like the ones that make noise. I feel like the men's sweater's better than the women's sweater. In my festive era. Always. Also, it feels like something I can make though. I like the way it fits better. The sleeve detail. I'm vibing. Sure, I'm doing this one. The size is comfy. This one is cute and giving teacher. So this one's like for school. This one's for outside of school. This one, because it lights up. I don't know. Maybe I should get all 4. I like these. These are my favorites. I don't know. Which one should I get? Yeah, I like these. I don't know. I might need to get them all. So top 2. Okay, I narrowed it down. But then I feel like I need a more teacher one. This is why I don't like shopping by myself. I need help. Put my shirt back on. Fix my hair. Put my glasses back on. Make a decision. Hey y'all, so I'm home. I got some sweaters at home that I can show y'all. So let me grab them real quick. Let me show y'all. Y'all seen this during Vlogmas. It's giving subtle Christmas vibes, you know? But this is something I can wear on a daily. I don't know if this is giving like ugly sweater. I got this from 5 and Below, as my husband calls it, but 5 Below. Just simple. Santa, we good? I could do this and not have to buy. But is it really ugly or is it just Christmas? I don't think it's giving ugly. All right, I got another one for you. Now, this sweater I actually got from in 2021. So I've had it for 4 years. And I thought it was cute. It's cute, like, and it came with this. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Prospero año felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. All right, that's a wrap on Vlogmas Day 10. Thank y'all for coming with me and acting silly in Walmart, trying on these sweaters. Which one should I get out of my top 3? Let me know in the comments below which one was y'all favorite sweater. Enter the conversation. Should I get all 3? Actually, I like 4 of them. Should I get all 4? You know, I'm going to a lot of Christmas parties this year. Don't forget to like, comment your winning sweater down below, and subscribe, and come back so you can see me tomorrow for day 11 of Vlogmas. Bye, y'all.